Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 20th February. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to inaugurate 6 new aims across India in next 6 days. Look forward to working closer with you. Indonesia President elected thanks PM Modi. Rejected farmers body dismiss centers 5-year MSP contract offer. 7 BJP MLAs approach Delhi High Court challenging suspension from assembly. Government helping farmers to take agriculture on new path. PM Modi. PM Modi to inaugurate 3 new IIMs, laid foundation for 3 IIT campuses on February 20. Smog towers, cloud seeding not solution to India's air pollution problem, US scientist. Farmers rejected center's new proposal on MSP to resume march to Delhi on February 21. International news. EU vote to hold Putin accountable after meeting Alexei Navalny's wife. Israel recorded 20% drop in GDP. War in Gaza is the reason. Look forward to working closer with you, Indonesia President elected thanks to PM Modi. Services of Elon Musk X restored in Pakistan after 39-hour outage, a report said. Palestine accused Israel of colonialism, apartheid at UN top court. Indians have visa free access to popular tourist destinations like Indonesia, Malaysia. Now, some sports news. Team balance has improved. RCB captain Smriti Mandhana ahead of WPL 2024. Former England captain Michael Atherton reserved huge praise for Yashasvi Jaiswal. Yashasvi Jaiswal took the charge against England great James Anderson, cutting 3 consecutive sixes of him on day 4. Dushmantha Kamira will join KKR at a reserve price of rupees 50 lakh, the IPL organizer said in a statement. Business related news. Days after first FC meeting, Finance Ministry said new member to be appointed. Fall in energy prices brings down India's oil gas import bill despite growth in volumes. Paytm share jump 5% after Axis Bank deal, fresh RBI deadline. India needs to open up further for FTA to go through, UK officials said. It's time we realized our full potential to 10% growth, Arvind Pangaria. Science related news. Passing stars altered Earth's orbit millions of years ago, a study found. NASA announced dream job for space enthusiast, simulated Mars experience. And that's all in news. Thank you.